Convicted of killing a retired St. Louis police officer, headed back to court later this summer. This afternoon, a jury found Stephan Cannon guilty on all 6 counts against him. Tonight, the family of David Dorn feeling peace over a decision they've waited more than 2 years for. David Emilati reports on this case that gained national attention. David?
Yeah, a clash of emotions today in the courtroom as Judge Burke read Cannon guilty on all charges. Family got up and stormed out of the courtroom. We could hear one young woman shouting uncontrollably at one point. Ann Dorn says no one wins in this case. She's still without her husband tonight, and now a family is without their brother.
It was relief.
Ann Dorn, surrounded by friends and loved ones, hugging and crying because she says justice was served for her late husband.
I heard the murder first guilty, and that's what I was hoping for, and that's what I asked for. And when I heard that, that's all I needed to hear after that.
The prosecution worked extremely hard. They gave a really good fight.
The case prosecutors built, ending with a jury convicting Stephan Cannon of first-degree murder, plus 5 other counts in the June 2020 killing of retired St. Louis Police Captain David Dorn. The jury reached its decision in roughly 3 hours. The Circuit Attorney's Office releasing a statement. It says in part, while nothing can bring Captain Dorn back to his loved ones, Mr. Cannon has been held accountable for his crimes committed in the city of St. Louis, and justice has been served.
And it was just undoubtable that he was guilty. So we're happy of the outcome, and we look forward to moving on and our dad resting in peace.
You know, this whole week felt like we relived the moment, and so now hopefully, like you said, closure is in order.
This wasn't Cannon's first run-in with the law. In 2019, Cannon was released from probation on a 2013 robbery and assault. In 2020, he was slapped with another charge, accused of using fake money to steal an Xbox that February. The night Dorn was killed, Cannon was trying to rob a pawn shop.
He should have never been on the street for this to happen. He should have been in jail, and hopefully during sentencing that'll be considered.
Now, Cannon will return to the court for his sentence hearing on September 13th. Talked with defense attorney Brian Hornire just a couple of hours ago. He's telling me that he will appeal, but beyond that, no comment. We also know in the last couple of hours, going through court documents, we were able to find out that key witness in this case, Mark Jackson, will be returning for a hearing of his own tomorrow morning.
And David, we have heard from some of our viewers tonight asking if the death penalty is an option for Cannon. What have you learned about that?
So Ann Dorn says that she is not seeking the death penalty. She says that she's known for quite some time that would not be an option for this case. And she says a life sentence is good enough for her. As far as the city of St. Louis, there is no law specifically on the books about the death penalty. Missouri does allow it. Live in downtown, David Emilati, News 4.
Okay, David, thank you. First.